Alright, so this week I get to hand out the cool Manaakitanga badges. So there's 2 badges, and one of them goes to Kiana Hickey and the other one goes to Maya Bickford. Both of you are amazing. And this week I get to say the class captains. So here we go, you need to listen very carefully. Alice Sabe, Elliot Drake, Jeremy Christie, Lily Foster, Isla DeFranca, Jamie Harrison, Ollie Bain and Mila Nicholson, Ruby Taylor and Zeke Butler, Maddie Galvin and Cameron Hartley, Penny Lovell Hinton and Shiwon Ho, Jack Murphy and Autumn Campbell, Nicole Rapanan and Teo Madeira, Heidi Huang and Moses Jung, Erica Messenger and Ethan Saul, Nick Lodge and Jordan Tormai, Joshua Webb and Amber Sibilskis, Seth Douglas and Grace Foster, and finally Shane Torfa, Sienna Stockman and Kyan Waka. Congratulations, class captains for term 3. Woohoo!
Kia ora, Birkdale Intermediate. Congratulations to everybody who participated in the 40-hour famine. You guys did an amazing job, and we are very near our goal of 8,000, closing in on 7,000 at this point. You can still fundraise, but I am super proud of where we are. This is the badges for those students who have participated. Whānau 1, Rebecca, Joshua, Renee, Phoebe, Elliot, Jasper, Carlos. Whānau 10, Magnus. Whānau 11, James, Liam, Sophie. Whānau 13, Evelyn, Leah, Kosuke, Benjamin. Whānau 14, Annabelle. Whānau 15, Tarini, Elsie, Jamie, Aria. Whānau 16, James. Whānau 17, Luke. Whānau 2, Amy Sutton, Lucas Belcher, Lily. Whānau 22, Xavier, Moa, Erica, Benjamin, Sol. Whānau 23, Thea, Brea, Ann, Mina. Whānau 25, Brea and Ann. Whānau 26, Minna, Kayla, Seth, Milla, Grace, Lily, Memphis. Whānau 3, Thomas, Morgan, Olivia, Jamie. And Whānau 6, Milla, Tyler, Sienna. And Whānau 9, Taiaroa. Congratulations again, everyone. We are so proud of you.
Hi, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Jamie, and he's the Week 3's news.
Basketball Zone Day is on Thursday for girls and Friday for boys. I hope you've returned your notices.
Dance Squad is on today at 1:30 p.m. Meet Johnny in the dance studio from Bell and get ready to go. It's a double lesson today.
Chess Club is on today.
All Basketball Zone Day permission slips need to go back to the office now. If your permission slip isn't in today, you need to see Miss Dalton for a really good reason, or you'll have to... what? Or I'll find other players and helpers.
All Maths Extension students who go to BC, please meet Mrs. Glenn under the Huntavasa at 11 p.m. a.m.
Dance studio is open today at lunchtime.
Riders Group is on today. There's a lot of interzone sports, so return your permission slips as quick as possible.
Chess Club, yes, it's back. If you want to come and challenge Miss Harrison for a SmackDown game of chess, see you in room 14 Thursday and Friday lunchtimes after eating.
Water polo training is on Mondays, year 7s at 4 p.m. and year 8s at 5 p.m.
Band practices, Turning Point meet at 12 p.m. and Doppler Effect meet in Monday, 12:30.
Next week, sports camp trainings. Tuesday, volleyball team, softball team, spike ball and tag/touch team. Thursday, spike ball and football training. and Friday fitness, rugby and basketball training. Hope you enjoy your week.
Now it's What Is It with Kohu and Tyrell.
Welcome to week 3 of What Is It? I'm your host, Kahu, and my special guest again,
Tyrell,
let's take a look at last week's
mystery object.
Well done to all the participants.
But there can only be one winner. And that is...
Congratulations.
Come and find your yummy chocolate from me and Kahu. Parkai!
Let's see this week's What Is It?
What? You know what it is. You know what it is. What? You know what it is.
What is it? What is it?
If you think you know what it is, go to the Google Classroom and hit the link.
Thank you, Kohu and Tyrell. Now it's Hackathon with Fire Now. That rhymed. Oh my god.
We ready? E tū koutou. Let's go. Toru, wha. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te pā paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te fiu paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te kāpō paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te taha paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te tū paki te piti piti paki.
These are your finals for today. Ultimate Frisbee, Matai 2 versus Rata 3.
Then Matai 4 versus Rata 2.
Rimu 2 versus Cody 1.
Then for netball, Matai 3 versus Rata 4.
Rimu 1 versus Cody 3.
Then Rimu 3 versus Cody 2.
Kia rahi. Matai 4 versus Rata 1.
Then Rimu 2 versus Cody 4.
Then Rimu 4 versus Cody 3.
For dodgeball, Rimu 1 versus Cody 2.
Rimu 3 versus Cody 1.
Then Rimu 1 versus Cody 4.
For basketball, Rimu 2 versus Cody 3.
Rimu 4 versus Cody 2.
Matai 2 versus Rata 1.
Then for multisport, Rimu 3 versus Cody 4.
Matai 1 versus Mata 3.
Then Matai 3 versus Rata 2.
For long ball, Rimu 4 versus Cody 1.
Then Matai 2 versus Rata 4.
Then Matai 4 versus Rata 3.
Then for T-ball, Matai 1 versus Rata 2.
Matai 3 versus Rata 1.
Then Rimu 1 versus Cody 4.
And these are your sports for today. Good luck.
Thank you for that, guys. let's go on to Caught on Camera.
Hi, it's Sean from Caught on Camera with this week's edition of the ever popular Caught on Camera. Mastication, defined as chewing food, verb. Today we look at several examples of masticators who thought they knew when to chew, and we give some special attention to a sports person with shared allegiances. Our first clip is taken from a dance class. He's a dancer, he's a prancer, and he's a chewer as well. And best of all, he's caught on camera. Oh, but look, it's double trouble without the double bubble. A partner in dancer. He's also a partner in crime. He's caught on camera. Our second clip today is from literacy team footage and shows a person unknown caught on camera.
Don't spit out your gum.
This clip comes from Hockey Zone Day, and apart from his shirt, what is there to know that this boy is playing for the wrong side? What he didn't bank on is being caught on camera. Until next time, this is Sean telling you, don't get caught on camera.
Oh, did I see you there? Now it's time for It's Cool to Corridor with Alicia.
Kia ora everybody, welcome to this week's It's Cool to Corridor Alicia. Tēnei wiki, this week's word is paia. Now paia means yeah. Now, and the way you use it is paia. Okay, you gotta remember it's all about the tone. Kapai? So, paia ko te rā mere, like, yeah, it's Friday. Paia ko te wiki o ngā puka puka. Yeah, it's book week. Paia ko ngā rā whakata. Yes, it's the weekend. Ka pai? Everyone have a great weekend. Kia pai ngā rā whakata. Paia ko ngā rā whakata. Have a great weekend, everyone. Ka kite.
Now it's time for everybody's favourite Bus Boss.
Last week we had some difficulties. Kia ora, welcome back to Bus Boss. I'm your host Adia. Thanks for all your entries and let's take a look at some of them.
Oni is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation. Oni is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall,
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle, Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle. Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle.
Welcome to Bus Boss. Let's check out last week's entries.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex. Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle, Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle, Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy. Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy.
Thanks for all your entries. Let's take a look at this week's Bus Boss.
Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. I wanna see you pop it, girl. Don't stop, just drop it, girl. You got a booty on your back, real fat. Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. I wanna see you pop it, girl. Don't stop, just drop it, girl. You got a booty on your back, real fat. Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. I wanna see you pop it, girl. Don't stop, just drop it, girl. You got a booty on your back, real fat.
Make sure you send in all your Bus Boss videos. Thanks for watching.
Hi guys, welcome to
Term 2
of Trick Shot! Yep. This week's Trick Shot is a shot from outside of the court.
Oh, I think maybe we should change the shot because no one's getting it in. Go Ben! Wow! Thanks so much.
See you next week. Bye bye.
Hi guys!
We missed you!
No, they missed me!
No, we don't! We missed you!
It's okay! Caught on camera! Caught on camera!
Hi guys, welcome.
Welcome! Oh, no shoes on top.
Doesn't matter. Hi guys!
Seth! Oh my gosh!
Thank you for watching this week's Te Ara Tika TV. Come back next week. Hey!
says